Yes, welcome back. In the previous topic, we were discussing about the strategies for the recovery of product after the particular end of the particular product life. So, how we can able to reuse, whether we can able to go for a remanufacture, reuse, or reconditioning or recycling. So, next we're going to discuss about the factors promoting product recovery. What are the factors that is promoting to product recover? How we can able to recover the product from by promoting these following factors. First one is about the increasing environmental consciousness of society and pressure from NGOs, consumers, business partners, and suppliers. So from the above I mentioned this, we can able to promote the factors affecting. Next, increasing the number of environmental regulations and legislations, minimizing the amount of waste sent to the landfills or disposal, thereby preventing the environmental pollutions, possible savings in energy consumption and cost, organizations own social responsibility, principles and targets that add values to themselves. So these are some of the major factors that promoting the product recovery, whether that is whether it might be in the form of possible energy savings, or whether it might be in the form of disposal of waste. Are we going to dispose that through the land, or what is that factors affecting for the environment pollutions. So all this can able to be done with the by factors. These are some of the factors that promoting the for the product recovery. So next one is about the product recycling. As I told, how we going to able to recycle? What are the benefits of product recycling? So recycling saves the energy. So recycling of the product saves the more energy. How we can able to do this? For manufacturing any new product, it consumes more energy. If the same product I am recycling means, so automatically we can able to save the energy. And recycling saves the natural sources, whether it might be solar, or whether it might be wind, or whether it might be any other natural sources. So recycling means again we are going to use the same products. So based on that we can able to save the natural resources. And even the recycle helps to protect the environment. How it can able to protect the environment? See, whenever we are disposing, stopping the disposal of that particular product, and we are using that same products already which has been end of the life, so we are going to use the recyclers. So there is no chance of disposals or disposing that particular product into the environment. So this gives or this protect the environment from the disposal. Next one is recycling can able to it can generate more revenues. Yes, so same recycling can able to generate more revenues, because when you want to develop or manufacture any particular new product, so it starts from scratch till to the end. But similarly, if I am going to use that existing only for the recycling product, automatically time will be saved and the working hours for the employees will be reduced. Automatically comparing all this, it gives the more, or it can able to generate the more revenues. And recycling enhances the business reputation. Even it gives a good name, because it saves the energy, or it gives a lot of helps to protect the environment. So all this gives us an even it enhances the business reputation. So next one is about the what is the human factors in product design. So what might be the human factors that is affecting in the product design is unable to use or handle the product properly. Yes, so this is what are the major mistakes that is happening is, which are the who is working. First we need to train them in order to use that any product or any machine properly. If you are not able to use any product, particularly any product or machine, it automatically affects. That is one of the major human factors that what causes in the product design. Next, unable to operate the product correctly. Yes, same if you are not able to operate because of lack of knowledge, first we need to train those operators regarding the product in order to use that product correctly. Difficult to operate the product by the people all ages and all and at different conditions. Yes, the product or the machines we cannot able to handle in difficult conditions. So in order to use in a difficult conditions, so they must be well trained, and it should be able to do in all the conditions. Difficult to assemble or install in a product design. If anything occurs or any problem occurs, they should be able to install, or like should be able to rectify that problem. Difficult to maintain the product correct. This is some of the what are the human factors that is affecting in the product design. Because why this factors is coming to the existence is because of the incorrectness or lack of knowledge. So in order to avoid this, we need to given a clear instructions or about the well trained to that particular employees. So next one is about the modeling and simulation in product design. How we going to modeling and how we going to use the simulations in this particular product design. Significantly shortens the design cycle and reduces the cost of design by creating and analyzing virtual models. Yes, as we discussed in the earlier topics about the virtual models. So that virtual models, by using the virtual models, it creates it affects or creates the design circle and reduces the cost for the design, and by creating the by analyzing the virtual models. So by using these virtual models, automatically the cost of the design will be automatically reduced. Next one is allows the evaluating a model to optimize the product design system performance. It even allows the evaluating a model to optimize the product design performance. Next, provides the designers with immediate feedback on decision makings. If any changes has to be done, automatically by using these virtual models, immediately we can able to generate the feedback and we can able to change the decisions. Next, it helps the design to ensure process and product reliability and quality, and even it ensures the product reliability and quality. Ensures high flexibility in product design and development process. So it gives us an high flexibility in a product design and within a development process, and even it minimizes the risk of flawed designs, thereby improving a design with the efficiency. So by using this modeling and simulation in the product design, so the following can be eliminated and we can able to improve the design with a more efficiency. So this is about the product design. This is about the modeling and simulation in the product design. How we going to enable? So by this gives us a conclusion about the product design in a such a way that how we going to use this modeling and simulation in a product design in order to for improving a design efficiency. Yes, thank you. These are some of the brief topics that we have discussed regarding the product design. So whenever we want to develop any product, first the design is the initial stage. So we need to consider all the parameters or the requirements of the design, then only we can go for the next stage. So this is where we can able to go for the modeling and simulation. So finally it gives about the conclusion about this design process.